Hello mga kabibig! Welcome back sa Limbagong YouTube channel. Ito ang pinakamaingay na YouTuber sa balab ng YouTube. Ako si Kabibig, maglabag-labag na tao with evidence na ko mga kabibig. Naiyak si Senator Pia Cayetano. Ito kasi si Risa Hontiveros nag-privilege speech. Parang iba ang tunog ng privilege speech ni Risa Hontiveros. Parang may mga paratang, may mga side bits na hindi maganda na pinakinggan ni Senator Pia Cayetano. Kaya nag-react si Senator Pia Cayetano, naiyak sa Senado si Senator Pia Cayetano knowing silang majority black ang naka-experience sa pangyayari that time. Itong si Risa, nag-privilege speech, ewan ko ba kung anong na, sa panood tayo kabibig ha, manood tayo sa privilege speech ni Risa at yung reaction ng mga majority black sa nangyari. Ito kabibig ha, panoorin natin ha. Ito si Risa talaga, go.
Sa media, sa security personnel, at sa mga sibilyan. Kapag may na-trauma dahil sa karahasan at umuuwing nanginginig at hindi mapakali sa sariling bahay, lampas na ito sa isu ng pamumulitika. Pambabastos na yan at pang-aabuso sa lahat-lahat ng ipinagkatiwala sa Senado bilang mga lingkod bayan. As we all know, democracy has always made room for disagreement. But, dear colleagues, hindi na ito political disagreement. Hindi na ito issue ng kampihan. What should trouble us is the manner by which this agreement is being settled, which reflects a broader national discourse that has become more coarse and unforgiving. When aggression is normalized and humiliation is treated as political currency. We cannot have a culture that proudly treats fellow Filipinos as enemies to be defeated, all in the name of clout.
Wow,
Yung
wow.
mga pagbabanta, pambibintang, pananakit ng damdamin. Hindi yan ang dapat ginagawang sukatan ng tapang.
Wow.
Kahit magkakatunggali sa politika,
Grabe yung statement
hindi
ni Risa.
tayo dapat ganyan sa
For
isa't
clout
isa,
daw.
lalo na dito sa Senado. Hindi ito tahanan ng ganyang kababang uri ng politika.
Hala.
Ngayon, higit sa kailanman, dapat manaig ang ating pagka-Pilipino. I refuse to believe na tayong mga Pilipino ay mga bulag na sumusunod sa sino mang politiko. I refuse to believe na wala nang natitirang malasakit, hiya o pagmamahal sa bayan. Kasi ang mga krisis, ang mga sakuna, hindi yan nagtatanong kung sinong kakampi mo sa politika. Lahat tayo tinatamaan at lahat tayo may responsibilidad. At tayo mismo dito sa Senado, kaya nating magkasundo. In fact, all of the laws I myself have championed could not have passed without the support of those from across the political aisle. And I refuse to believe that this institution that has crafted laws for the most marginalized, that has conducted
a real economic, the prayer of Senator
passed laws across party lines. That is why we cannot act as though nothing happened last week. Alam
Do nothing happen.
natin ang tama at mali. Alam natin kapag sumosobra na.
Investigasyon, day.
And this is what our country needs from us now. For the Senate, in this difficult hour, to reflect the best of our people. May we prove worthy of the trust that our people have placed in us. Marami pong salamat sa inyo at sa lahat, Mr. President.
Before I recognize Senator Pia and Senator Marcoleta,
Ito na.
you know, the curious thing is the prayer of Senator Kiko and the prayer of former Senate President Tito Soto yesterday. We all agree with it. We're just looking at it from different sides of the political lens. And many of your statements today, Senator Risa, many of us, if not all, agree. but we all won't agree that parang walang nangyari. I don't know where that came from because
Tama.
I don't think anyone is treating it trivially. It's just a matter of how we can focus on it given that there is a real economic crisis, crisis of prices, oil crisis. Our stock is running out.
Galing talaga ni
We're
Senator
convening into an
Cayetano.
impeachment court. You know, our staff are overwhelmed by the number of investigations, by the number of subpoenas that are here. They're asking us to produce so many things while we're also doing our own. So while we will agree with you and let's discuss later on which committee, I do not think anyone is acting as if parang walang nangyari.
Tama.
Senator
Tama.
Pia or Senator Marcoleta?
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, may I ask if Senator Risa would yield to a few questions?
Can we take a minute suspension? Either the former Senate President that this is an emotional issue, not only for us, but for the whole country, given this is the Senate of the Philippines. And it's a sensitive issue because there are words that have been used. That's why I have tried to be deliberate. Wait not only for a partial investigation, but independent. Wait for every investigation to come in. Now, many members of the majority who were here want to speak on that measure. Having said that, number one, we have athletes here and I don't want to keep them here the whole day. Number two, I was about to report this, that as Senate President, I respectfully informed the body that earlier today, 20 May 2026, the summons in relation to the articles of impeachment filed against VP Sara Duterte was duly served upon respondent Vice President Sara Z. Duterte. A copy of the summons was likewise furnished to the prosecution panel on the same date. Under the applicable rules, respondent is given 10 calendar days from service of summons within which to file her answer, and counting 10 calendar days from 20 May 2026. The last day would ordinarily fall on Saturday, 30 May 26. However, since the last day falls on the Saturday, the period shall not run until the next working day. Accordingly, the deadline for respondent to file her answer is on Monday, 01 June 2026. Furthermore, upon the prosecution panel's receipt of the respondent's answer, the prosecution shall have 5 calendar days from receipt of calendar we discuss. I've received BI with the matter that
Subject of Senator Risa's speech on question of privilege, I yield to the better judgment of the President of the Senate, and I will hold my questions until Monday. Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you, Senator Marcoleta. Thank you, Senator Risa Ontiveros. Minority Leader, may I just give, you're my kuya, but she's my ate. Yeah. Senator Pia.
Mr. President, I also will not interpolate or make my own privileged speech today as requested by the Senate President. I reserve my right to make the proper interventions at the time that the Senate President and other colleagues agree upon. But I just want to make this quick statement. Parang walang nangyari. Yan po ang statement ng ating butihing Senadora Risa Hontiveros. Siguro po para sa inyong mga wala dito. Pero para sa amin na nandito, napakaraming nangyari. Takot na takot po ako na kailangan ko na magpaalam sa mga anak ko. At yung staff ko, 2 pintuan ang pagitan ko sa putukan. Yung staff ko na si Claire, na 20 years na sa akin, nandun siya sa labas. She has a 12-year-old son. Kinuwento niya sa akin late na tumatakbo siya, hindi niya alam kung saan siya pupunta. Kaya para sabihin niyo na walang nangyari. Napakasakit para sa aming lahat na nandito. And as I said, 2 pintuan na nagpo-protect sa akin sa putukan. Pero yung media, yung Senate staff, yung hindi naman makauwi dahil sila ang security, sila ang elevator, women and boys natin, nandoon po sila. So dear colleagues, napakarami nang nangyari. And one more thing, wala ho akong sinisisi. Pero nung pagkatapos ng lahat, pagtingin ko ng group natin, yung dating majority group walang ni isa sa inyong nangamusta sa amin.
Ooh.
Some of you I've known for 20 years, 10 years, and I didn't even hear any of you say, kamusta na kayo dyan? Napakasakit na sa akin. Sobrang sakit. So yun lang ang masasabi ko. Yes, I am very ready. To share my story, to ask questions. Pero kung wala ho kayo dito, huwag niyong questionin yung mga nangyari sa mga nandito. Dahil nandito kami, kasama ng staff namin, Senate staff. You have your own story. I respect that. But please respect my own story. Thank you, Mr. President.
Oh my goodness.
Minority
Ah.
Leader.
Mr. President, yes, of course, we sympathize with the manifestation made by Senator Pia Cayetano. But my position is merely to give a suggestion for your consideration and for the consideration of our colleagues. I think this particular issue, once culminated, should be referred to the Committee of the Whole. The reason being, it is an extraordinary remedy necessary because of the issues of Senate institutional
Grabe si Risa.
security.
Walang emosyon.
The chamber itself is
Hmm,
affected.
parang walang pakialam
Is
sa
affected.
mga taong nandun that
The
time.
institution is threatened. There are multiple Senate committees that are going to be involved: public order,
Umiyak namin si
justice,
Lauren Tigana.
rules, ethics, even finance, because of the procurement of the weapons. Allegedly that
Nakakaiyak. Ramdam mo talaga yung totoong emosyon ni
Used, no?
Senator Pia Cayetano.
So the Senate
Hindi pa
has
siya
a
masabi,
direct
stage lang ang
institutional
nangyari.
stake.
Pero
Every
ramdam mo
senator.
talaga
So
ang
this is not
takot
just
sa boses
majority or
ni
minority.
Senator Pia
So
Cayetano.
therefore, may I
Matakot
give
si
a
Senator Pia
suggestion that you
Cayetano.
consider the possibility of
Tumawag
this,
pa nga
all
siya,
these
namamaalam
manifestations be
na.
referred to the Committee of the Whole.
Grabe
And
si
in the past,
Risa kung
The
magsalita.
Committee of the Whole, when we investigated Parmali, we investigated
Grabe.
PhilHealth, it was the Senate
Nasyak
President
ako, nasyak tayo
that
kabibig ba? Ganun yung sentimiento ni
the
Risa
Committee of the
Cortez.
Whole,
Nag-privilege
unless he
speech
appoints
pa siya.
a
This
co-chairman.
representation always takes, you know this, Your Honor, always takes your suggestions,
Ay, ganun pala ang mga
seriously. So
Thank you.
you're suggesting we use Rule 14 and Section 14
mabuti nung
of
kung
the
si Alan
rules
si
and
Cayetano
create
ang
a
maging
special
Senate President.
committee, the Committee of the
Kasi
Whole.
alam niya.
Is that correct? Yes.
Mr. President, if I may, Mr. President.
And before that, since we're going to go into caucus to speak about the calendar, may I ask the minority leader if it's acceptable that we discuss it there
Senators who wanted to speak and reserve their
on
right
this issue?
on this particular
Put it
issue.
on
We
record
have-
so that we
yes,
can.
we have Senator Mark Villar, Senator Camille Villar, Senator Jingo Estrada, Senator Robin Hood Padilla, Senator Bongo, Senator Lauren Legarda, Senator Win Gatchalian, and even this representation, Mr. President. So, if I may, Mr. President, and with the indulgence of our colleagues, I think we already made that decision that on Monday, we can talk about this.
Yes,
Today,
mas
Monday, we
maganda
can
sa
talk about
Monday.
this, Mr. President. And of course, entertain the idea being raised by our minority leader. So with that, Mr. President, may I just move that we proceed with the reference of business so that the resolutions
I just have to recognize Senator Ontiveros with that pakiusap of everyone.
we
that
yield, Mr. President.
everyone.
We yield, Mr. President.
Yes.
We yield to the distinguished lady, Mr. President. Yield to the distinguished lady, Mr. President.
Grabe si Risa.
Maraming salamat, Mr. President. I empathize with the experience and the feelings expressed by the gentlewoman from Taguig and Pateros. May I just repeat what I clearly stated at the context of na parang walang nangyari.
Ano yun?
I'm talking about ngayon,
Huh?
after those terrible events that caused fear and
Nagkaroon na nga ng
a lot of other negative emotions and experiences sa ating mga colleagues, sa ating mga Senate staff, sa security unit dito at sa Senate media. Yun po yung punto ko, and it is akin to one of the points raised by Senator Erwin earlier before my privilege speech.
But let
So
me
just
assure
to
you
correct
that's not
that,
the
Mr.
case.
President.
In fact, I have to
Yes.
deal with the security of the Senate every day. I'm
May
just not telling
investigasyon na
you
nga.
everything that we have to deal with now to make sure that there's no bombs in the
Yung parang
in
walang
the area,
nangyari.
just like every day except this time. And also making sure that there's no miscommunication between the executive, legislative, judiciary, and the international community. That's precisely why we are waiting. For the complete investigation, because there
Kaya.
are matters that when are discussed in public
Tama.
will cause more alarm and confusion rather than clarity.
Correct.
That doesn't mean na parang walang nangyari lang.
Tama.
I think that na parang walang nangyari lang. I think that's the point where there will be strong answer, Senator Risa. But of course, you have your point of view, and we respect that.
Thank you, Mr. President. And lastly, just for the record, as I said earlier, I deeply respect the emotions of our distinguished colleague. It's evident that the violence that breached our halls
Babae ka
has
sana.
profoundly
Sana.
affected all of us.
Lalo mo
profoundly
sanang
affected
naramdaman.
all of us. And I don't doubt, Mr. President, the leadership's personal distress over what transpired. However, when I stated that it feels now as though walang nangyari, I was not speaking about our personal feelings. I was speaking about our institutional posture.
Thank you for that.
Our grief as senators is valid, but our mandate requires action. Salamat po
Wow.
Salamat po ng marami, Mr.
Ethics, even finance, because of the
I think 24 senators, the Senate
I will hold my questions until
Siguro po para sa inyong mga wala dito. Pero para sa amin na nandito,
explain the matter that there is an apparent consensus
Balikan
that
natin
this
yung
subject
sentimiento ni
also
Dr. Pia
subject
Cayetano.
of Senator
Nakakaawa si Dr.
subject
Pia
of
Cayetano.
Senator Risa's
Parang feel ko
speech
talaga
on,
hindi ko siya naka-move
question
on.
of privilege. I yield to the
Pakinggan mo
better
talaga na
judgment of the
nanginginig pa rin
President
yung
of the
boses
Senate,
niya.
and I
Yung si
will hold
Risa
my
talaga, parang,
and I will
ewan
hold
ko.
my questions until Monday. Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you,
Exciting to
Senator
sa Monday.
Marcoleta. Thank you, Senator Risa Ontiveros. Minority Leader, may I just give, you're my kuya, but she's my ate. Yeah. Senator Pia.
Ito ha.
Mr. President, I also will not interpolate or make my own privilege speech today as requested by the Senate President.
Mas lalo maging
I reserve my
certain
right
sila sa ginawa ng mga
to
minority.
make the proper interventions at the time that the Senate President and our other colleagues agree upon. But I just want to make this quick statement. Parang walang nangyari. Yan po ang statement ng ating butihing Senadora Risa Hontiveros. Siguro po para sa inyong mga wala dito. Pero para sa amin na nandito, napakaraming nangyari. Takot po ako na kailangan ko na magpaalam sa mga anak ko. At yung staff ko, 2 pintuan ang pagitan ko sa putukan. Yung staff ko na si Claire, na 20 years na sa akin, nandun siya sa labas. She has a 12-year-old son. Kinuwento niya sa akin later na tumatakbo siya, hindi niya alam kung saan siya pupunta. Kaya para sabihin niyo na walang nangyari. Napakasakit para sa aming lahat na nandito.
Tama.
And as I said, 2 pintuan na nagpo-protect sa akin sa putukan. Pero yung media, yung Senate staff, yung hindi naman makauwi dahil sila ang security, sila ang elevator women and boys natin, nandoon po sila. So dear colleagues, napakarami nang nangyari. And one more thing, wala ho akong sinisisi. Pero nung pagkatapos ng lahat, pagtingin ko ng group natin, yung dating majority
Tama.
group,
Pinakamasakit.
walang ni isa sa inyong nangamusta sa amin. Some of you I've known for 20 years, 10 years, and I didn't even hear any of you say, kamusta na kayo dyan?
See?
Napakasakit mo sa akin. Sobrang sakit. So yun lang ang masasabi ko. Yes, I am very ready to share my story, to ask questions.
Pero kung wala ho kayo dito, huwag niyong questionin yung mga nangyari sa mga nandito. Dahil nandito kami, kasama ng staff namin, Senate staff. You have your own story. I respect that. But please respect my own story. Thank you, Mr. President.
Yun, kabibig. Di ba? So yun, kabibig, nakita natin. Grabe yung parang feel ni Senator Pia Cayetano ba na parang pituhin nyo naman kami yung nararamdam namin. Nanginginig pa ang boses ni Senator Pia Cayetano. Ikaw, kabibig, ano ang iyong comment hinggil dito? Yung si statement ni Risa na parang walang nangyari. Risa, maging sensitive ka naman, babae ka pa naman. Diba? So yun lang, kabibig, ang ating dislibag-libag for the day. Well, Risa already explained kung ano ang pinopoint out niya, pero I'm not sure kung ito yung gustong marinig ng mga kapwa babae dyan sa Senado. Sa Lunes, mga kabibig, malalaman natin mga ibang pang-istorya. Alam nyo, sa ginawa ng minority na si Risa Hontiveros, mas lalong maging stronger itong brave 13 senators. Yun lang, kabibig. Bye everyone. See you next time.